guys, welcome back to the Missing Wrenches Garage YouTube channel. So today's finally the day that the first new part is going on to the F100. So after I get this other hose clamp on, y'all can follow me up there and we'll see how that's going to go. Also, this box came in the other day from Lincoln Electric. After this video, we'll do a unboxing and setup video on this. Alright guys, so before the new tank goes in, I've got some Rust-Oleum oil-based paint that I'm going to paint on the frame just to kind of make it look a little better under there. I'm probably just going to do a like a before and after shot because I don't know where my little small tripod went, but I'm not going to bore you all with smearing paint. So I'll be back to you after I get it done. Alright guys, here's your before. You know, typical 50-something-year-old frame. Alright guys, frame's looking a lot better. That's mainly what I'm getting. I did start on the bed floor, but I forgot that it's kind of done. But the frame is the main objective of this. But it looks a lot better than rust. I've run out of daylight, so I'm going to go inside till tomorrow, and we'll put the tank in. Alright guys, it's the next morning, and did you know that the Dollar General sells F100 parts? This is the anti-chafing pads for the gas tank. Mine bottled. God, this stuff means business. Ah, yes. Backyard butchery and turd polishery 101. Now that our pristine anti-chafing pads are on the tank, I'm going to go up here and pull the fuel line off of the pump and blow it out with brake lean, just in case there's any trash in it for after we get everything buttoned up. Just an extra precautionary step. Oh yeah, he's gonna need a new line. Well, the good news is the brake line's clean. Papa watched as I blew through it. Said everything come out good. The even better news is I just drunk about a half a can of brake lean. Now my lips are burning, my teeth are kind of hurting, and my stomach's on fire, so it's good. Alright, so Piebald's up here with me now. He's gonna try to help me get this thing up in here. Went to O'Reilly's yesterday, bought a brand new pack of hose clamps. Wasted $8. The 50-year-old ones on this truck are 1,000 times better than the pieces of junk that I bought yesterday. Alright, y'all. We're under here with our new one. Let's see if we can get it slid up into place. I just went to the local home and farm store. Got some new hardware. It's the factory hardware is 3/8-16. I think they were 1.5 inches or 1.75 inches, maybe. Dirt on my nice painted straps. Wrong bag. All right, y'all, so while we was getting that tank slid up in there and bolted in and everything, my phone died. So I didn't get video of that. But look at this. Oh, man, don't that look good up in there. God, that looks good under there. It's bad the last 2.5 foot of the frame is the best looking part of the truck. But I want to thank you guys for watching. We got some pretty good stuff coming on the way. Be sure to stay tuned. We ordered some parts for that other tractor that we went and picked up the other day. I've got that box from Lincoln down there. We got some more stuff to do on the Mustang. And next weekend I'm going to try to go to that hot rod hoarder swap meet and see if I can find anything that I might need. I'll do a video on it. Old Jack here will be back on the channel again real soon. We got some more stuff we're going to do with it. Be sure you do all the algorithm and analytics things, the liking, commenting, sharing, all that good stuff. Be sure to subscribe. Good Lord willing, we'll see you on the next one. But remember, your dreams won't work unless you do. Keep them out of the crusher. God bless y'all, and we love you.